In the evolving landscape of financial management for small businesses, freelancers, and the self employed, FreeAgent stands out as a robust cloud based accounting platform designed to simplify managing finances. The software is crafted to streamline everything from invoicing and payroll to tax preparation and expense tracking, giving users a clear view of their financial health with minimal hassle. So, this video will give an overview of Free Agent's key features and benefits, providing a comprehensive understanding of why it is such a valuable tool for financial management in 2024. Free Agent is ideal for those without extensive accounting experience, offering an interface that's straightforward yet effective. The platform's all in one functionality also eliminates the need for juggling multiple systems, making it easier for users to centralize financial tasks. So, in this video, I'll cover key free agent features, its notable benefits, and how it simplifies financial management for small businesses. So, for the key features of free agent, first is its invoicing and payments. One of Free Agent's standout features is its invoicing capability. It allows users to create professional, customizable invoices that can be sent directly to clients with just a few clicks. This feature supports recurring invoices, automated payment reminders, and multiple online payment options. With these capabilities, users can accelerate the payment process, helping to reduce the time it takes for clients to pay and improving overall cash flow. Small business owners and freelancers will appreciate how quickly they can set up invoices and track unpaid balances without tedious manual work. Another key feature is the expense tracking and bank reconciliation. Expense tracking in Free Agent is also highly intuitive. Users can upload receipts, categorize expenses, and use the mobile app to capture and record purchases on the go. Another powerful tool within Free Agent is the bank reconciliation feature, which connects directly to your bank account to import and match transactions automatically. This real time integration ensures that financial records are always up to date. With expense tracking and bank reconciliation, Free Agent offers users a seamless way to monitor their spending habits and keep records that will be essential come tax season. Another key feature is tax preparation and compliance. Free Agent takes much of the stress out of tax preparation, which can be particularly helpful for freelancers and small business owners juggling multiple responsibilities. The platform calculates tax obligations and can generate reports on VAT, sales tax, and other necessary tax data, making it easy to understand liabilities and prepare for filing. Free agents tax features help businesses stay compliant with regional regulations and avoid penalties, providing peace of mind by ensuring that no detail is overlooked in their tax reporting. Another key feature is payroll management. Free agents' payroll capabilities cater to small business owners with employees. It automates payroll calculations, deductions, and generates payslips, taking the hassle out of processing employee wages. The platform's payroll management features also includes options for calculating and withholding taxes, reducing compliance issues, and ensuring accurate payroll processing. This can be especially valuable for small businesses that may not have dedicated HR staff. And another key feature is time tracking and project management. For freelancers and professionals who bill by the hour, Free Agent includes a time tracking feature that enables users to log hours per project or task. This can be beneficial for managing productivity and keeping track of billable hours that automatically integrate with invoicing. This functionality also allows project managers to monitor time allocation and productivity, which can lead to valuable insights for future project planning. So, for the benefits of using FreeAgent, first, it's because of its user friendly interface. One of FreeAgent's biggest draws is its user friendly interface, which requires minimal training. The platform was designed with ease of use in mind, making it accessible to users without a formal accounting background. This ease of use is especially valuable for small business owners who want to focus on growing their business rather than navigating complex software. Another benefit is the automation of financial tasks. Free agents' automation capabilities can handle routine tasks such as invoicing, payroll calculations, and expense tracking. By automating these repetitive processes, Free Agent saves users time and reduces the likelihood of errors. Automation also ensures that tasks are completed consistently and accurately, providing users with great confidence in their financial records. So basically, Free Agent remains a powerful tool for freelancers, small business owners, and self employed professionals seeking an all in one financial management solution. Its comprehensive suite of features, user friendly interface, and time saving automation make it ideal for anyone looking to streamline their financial processes. Free agents' capabilities for tax preparation, payroll management, and invoicing provide significant value, reducing administrative burdens and freeing up time for more strategic tasks. As an added benefit, the platform's insightful reports offer users the ability to understand financial performance at a glance. For small businesses and freelancers navigating the complexities of financial management, Free Agent's well rounded features provide a dependable, accessible, and efficient solution. By simplifying accounting and financial tracking, Free Agent helps users stay organized, compliant, and focused on growing their business. This comprehensive tool is a worthwhile investment for those looking to manage finances more effectively, and it's an excellent choice for any professional needing a balance of functionality and ease of use. So, if you need more information about Free Agent, you can simply go to their website and see here in the top section or its features. As you can see, there's a bunch of different features right here. Resources if you need more information, and you can see the pricing plans right here too. So you can also try Free Agent. So it has a free trial, but uh it depends on your location. So there are some countries that Free Agent doesn't offer a free trial. So just look at the uh comparison of the plans right here and make sure to avail the plan that has all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.